we were discussing the liquid state of matter. So we discussed the different properties. For example, shape and volume, vapor pressure, evaporation, and vapor pressure and freezing point. So next property of a liquid state is diffusion. Like gases, diffusion also occurs in liquids. Diffusion is basically a process in which the molecules of liquid and gases move from the concentration region of higher concentration towards the region of lower concentration. It is a spontaneous process. खुद ब खुद होता है. We don't need external amount or external agent to continue or to proceed this kind of process. So diffusion can also happen in liquid because the liquid molecules are also free to move. This is because the particles in liquid are in continuous state of motion. The molecules of liquid move from higher concentration towards the lower concentration, and they will moving or they will diffuse out until the mixture will be a homogeneous. Example, if we drop a little drop of ink in a glass of water, then the ink will slowly spread throughout the water and will form a homogeneous mixture. We can also observe the diffusion. Diffusion is in liquid is little bit slower as compared to the diffusion which is present in the gaseous molecule. The rate of diffusion increases with increase in temperature. When the temperature increases, the rate of diffusion will increase because the molecules, by increasing the temperature, the molecules move far apart from each other. Increasing the temperature increases the kinetic energy of molecules, so the rate of diffusion increases. The next property is mobility. As we discussed, the liquid molecules are in state of free motions. They cannot escape the surface of liquid, but they can move from one place to another within the surface of liquid. So they have fixed shape, so they have fixed volume but no fixed shape. The kinetic theory of matter, that is particle theory, says that liquid consists of molecules which are constantly moving or in constant state of motion. This mobility basically depends upon the energy of molecules. Greater the kinetic energy, greater will be the mobility of molecule. And lower the kinetic energy, lower will be the ability of molecule. For example, when we increase the kinetic energy, how we can increase the kinetic energy of liquid molecules? By increasing the temperature. The liquid mobility will be increased. Next is density. Density is basically the per unit mass per unit volume. Liquid have higher densities than gases because in liquids the molecules are close to each other as compared to gases. So liquid molecules have strong intermolecular forces than gases, so they cannot expand and have fixed volume. The table is given in which the various densities of various liquids are given. Observe next is observe the diffusion of liquid bromine. You can also observe the diffusion of ink in water.